Alright, y'all, I'm in Nevada right now on this cross-country road trip to New York. Damn, now it's low. Huh? Now it's low. Now it's below 20. It's at 22. What the hell? It was good, and then it went back down. Right now, just pumping some air in my tire. My back right tire, because my shit low. And I want to make sure my tires is on point for the rest of this drive. But yeah, I'm on my way back to the city. I'm on my way back to New York. Yeah, I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me. You know what I'm saying? I got about maybe 35 more hours. And yeah, right now we're just trying to pump air in the tire. Got the guy right there helping me out. He's on the bottom. But yeah, shit went all the way back to 12. I don't know. Is it going up? Anyway, yeah, my tire got flattened. I don't even know why I probably could have saved some money, but I wanted to make sure my tires was on point before this trip. So because the air, I tried paying to pump air in it. That didn't work. It flattened up my tire to like 0. So ended up calling somebody to fix my tire. I gotta pay a few $100, but I pray that it's worth it because I need to get the fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to Ross for this blanket though. Got Kevin the mechanic here. All right, let's get this tire fixed. All right. Where the fuck is my key? I gotta make sure I got my key though. Oh shit. It's feeling cold as a motherfucker. It's 22 degrees. I left Cali, it was nice. Now it's 22 degrees. I'm in Nevada. Goddamn. Yeah, I'm headed to New York.
Thought I was the ghost of Tom Joad, huh?
Yeah. Nah, I knew you was gonna come through and hold it down.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's cold as a Woo. See my shit. Flat as a motherfucker. I'm about to fix it. I tried using this, ain't work. Right.
You trying to put air in it?
Yeah, and it just brought it down more.